how to connect Etsy to TikTok Shop. Hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, I would like to show you guys the process on how you will be able to connect your TikTok Shop with your Etsy store. Now, I'm going to be showing you two processes that is very simple and very direct. So let's get right into it. Now, if you don't know, TikTok Shop is a currently trending platform for a lot of sellers and a lot of drop shippers. And I would assume that when you want to connect your TikTok Shop and Etsy together, you are looking to establish a drop shipping connection between these two platforms. Now, selling in TikTok Shop is really great because of the amount of people using this platform, specifically TikTok itself and not the shop. But inside of TikTok, if you're familiar, you are always going to go through the TikTok Shop, or you will always eventually going to see items being promoted and being sold on your TikTok. So I'm going to be showing you the process on how you will be able to do it. Like I mentioned, there are two main ways for you to be able to do it. Two main official ways. There is another one that you could do it with, but that's more on a manual and a laborious job to perform. So I'm only going to focus in today's video how you will be able to do it with the two main options. So let's show you the first option. Basically, the first option is through TikTok Shop itself. If you're exploring your TikTok Shop, you will be able to notice over here on the left side that there is this option called Apps and Services. So the purpose of this Apps and Services is to add features or add additional features and items into your TikTok Shop to improve your experience. So simply click on App Store and we will be able to see different types of applications as you can see here, and you could filter out what type of application you want to view. If you can notice over here on the left side, you have popular platforms such as Lazada, Shopee, Shopify, AliExpress, and many more. And of course, part of that is Etsy. So to be able to see applications that utilizes Etsy, simply click on this box and we will be able to see specific app that handles it. As you can see right now, only one platform or only one app, or never mind, there's more apps over here, only 4 apps will allow us to integrate Etsy with TikTok. So for example, let's view Shop Drop Shipping. Let's view the app details. Let's view the app details for now. And as you can see, one of the integrated platforms is Etsy, as you can see here with this text. That means that you will be able to use the key features with Etsy to your TikTok Shop, if you were able to successfully connect them, of course. So you are able to source or sourcing, where you will be able to automate your drop shipping, including sourcing, purchasing, and shipping. You also have additional features such as print on demand, which is really great as well, and wholesale. Now, each app is unique. You could explore and check out the different apps available for you right now based on your needs and compare the different features or key features and use the one that you want the most. Now, the second method is through Shopify. If you're not familiar, Shopify is also a very popular e-commerce platform that people were using mainly during the pandemic, but a lot of people are still using it right now. Similarly with TikTok Shop, Shopify has this app section over here where you will be able to install apps that you could use to improve or add features into your TikTok Shop, or rather Shopify app. So simply select this and you will see this pop up on the top. Click on all recommended apps. Scroll down because right now, based on what we're seeing, we don't see features or specific apps that we are looking for. So click on Shopify App Store at the bottom and we will be redirected to another page where we could view more applications for us to use and integrate with our Shopify store. So in the search bar, simply first search TikTok Shop. We want to establish a connection between Shopify and your TikTok. So simply install one of these apps, specifically Quick Sync over here. which basically allows us to import products into TikTok Shop. The specific feature that I'm going for is the import and export. The next step is to look for Etsy. Now, similarly with TikTok Shop, of course, Etsy will have a corresponding application, as you can see here. For example, this one, QuickSync as well, surprisingly the same platform. So, similarly with what I explained earlier, you will be able to import and export products from Etsy. Now, using Shopify as a bridge or a middleman, you're simply going to export a product from Etsy. For example, I would like this product over here. One of these products I want to export into our Shopify store. So, if you were able to install this and successfully connected it with your Etsy store, you will be able to, for example, this one, export this one and take this specific product and put it inside your Shopify store. Now, since this product should be now located or also be accessible in your Shopify store, you could now import that specific product into your TikTok Shop, which basically allows us to have the product that we saw in our Etsy over here inside of our TikTok Shop over here. If you were able to successfully connect the Etsy QuickSync integration and the TikTok QuickSync integration, the transfer of data and the transfer of product will be very automated and very quick. So you no longer need to worry about any other process because a lot of the process are automated, as you can see here on the description, as you can see, like product syncing and many more. Although a bit of a downside with these two platforms that is they have some pricing, as you can see here. You would need to subscribe to their platforms. So we have TikTok and Etsy. So you're going to have to subscribe to two platforms, two in subscriptions. But there is a 30-day free trial, so you could try it out. See if this app is for you or the other TikTok Shop app is for you. And if you're not satisfied, you could always check out other types of Etsy integration that would allow you to connect your Etsy and Shopify together and Shopify to TikTok together. If you were successfully able to establish a connection, not only will you be able to export from Etsy and import it into TikTok Shop, you could also do vice versa, where you could export from TikTok Shop and sell your different products inside of Etsy as well. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.